Hey there, welcome to our channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we're taking a closer look at the TWS wireless Bluetooth headset with charge box for phone. These earbuds are a game changer, and we can't wait to tell you all about them. First off, let's talk about the features. These Bluetooth headphones come with a 3500 mAh charging box, so you'll never have to worry about running out of battery on the go. The Bluetooth version 5.1 ensures a stable and seamless connection, with a working distance of up to 10 meters. Plus, the CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology means you'll enjoy crisp, clear sound without any outside distractions. But that's not all. These earbuds are also waterproof and perfect for sports, so you can take your music with you wherever you go. And with a total endurance time of about 220 hours, you'll be set for all-day listening sessions. Not to mention, the automatic boot and pairing capabilities make for a hassle-free user experience. In the package, you'll find everything you need, including the charging case, USB cable, user manual, and extra earphone cups in different sizes. The touch operation makes it easy to control your music and calls, while the magnetic function keeps your earbuds secure and charging when not in use. So, why should you consider purchasing these TWS wireless Bluetooth headphones? Well, for starters, the quality and performance speak for themselves. Whether you're a music lover, a fitness enthusiast, or just someone who's always on the go, these earbuds offer everything you need, and more. And the best part? You can get your hands on them right now by clicking the link in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to elevate your listening experience with these top-notch Bluetooth earphones. Trust us, you won't be disappointed. So go ahead, treat yourself to the ultimate wireless audio solution. Click the link and make these TWS wireless Bluetooth headphones yours today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.